Hello and what's up guys to another video. Today we are here with unboxing my new headphones. So let's begin, but first of all, safety is number one priority. I'm gonna untape this whole section. Oh. It come I order it, it's showing that it will come on third, but it come early. Is it whole section already? No. Remember guys, do not use knife without adult supervision, because it can, let's see, cup cup couple of bubble packing. Let's put this knife at side first. Bubbles. Let's put it back. No, let's put it here. Oh, this, sorry, this is just flying. Where we want? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see the packing. This is my new headset. All new headset. Quotation Edge Pro Gaming Headset G2000. Let's put the box aside and unbox it. No, it. Let's see. What do we get? Bubble wrapping. Wow. Instructions. Probably, I don't know this language. Probably I don't know Chinese, so I don't know Chinese. Put it aside. Nothing more. Let's continue with our headset. Wow, it is too much. Wow. Bubble wrapping. Bubble. Let's see. Probably this one is headphone, this one is mic, and this is for light, USB for light. This is a pretty big headset. So let's remove plastics.